Alright, we're going to show you how to make some good old southern fried ham. What we have here is a Smithfield Anytime favorite hardwood smoked ham steak. And it's about that thick. I'd say about 1/2 inch thick. 1.5 pounds of ham. You take this, open it up, and cut it into little bitty square pieces. I like to cut the fat off, and I usually I don't eat the fat. I do away with that. I just cut the ham up in little bitty squares, and then we get us an iron frying pan, and I'll show you what happens. Alright, what is southern cooking without an iron frying pan? Yep, we have us an iron skillet, and we have our ham in here simmering. I've got it on medium high. I bring it up to high to start with, and then after my secret recipe right here starts simmering, I turn it down to medium high. It's already starting to look yummy. Just kind of turn them over, stir them around a little bit, kind of like a stir fry. And just let that cook. I like to let it cook for about 25 minutes. Anyway, my secret ingredient here is 1 cup of Coca-Cola. That's all it is to it. Put 1 cup of Coca-Cola in there and fry your ham in that Coca-Cola, and it'll be some of the best ham you ever had. Oh yeah. It's about done. It's been cooking for 20 minutes. As you notice, the Coke in the bottom is about gone. For me, I like to cook it down to about that point. When just about all, see that? All my Coke is gone, and then I stop. If you don't want to cook it any further, you'll dry it out. Nobody likes dried fried ham. So we'll turn that off. And over here, we have some macaroni and cheese that's sitting until it thickens up. And we have some baked beans. Bush's baked beans. The brown sugar and bourbon recipe. Yummy. That'd make a good meal. As a guy, if you cook like this for your wife and kids, you ain't got to worry about her leaving you on Valentine's Day. Just as long as you don't go buy her sister roses or anything stupid like that. Alright, there we have it. Macaroni and cheese is done settled. Bush baked beans and our glistening Coca-Cola ham. That is some delicious looking ham. That's how you do it, folks. If you like my recipe and you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and comment below, and I'll try to answer all the comments. Thank you for watching.